looking for as well.
Although, if I'm honest, I think she'd actually.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, that was good then. That was wonderful.